Hello friends, today we'll install SpiroTrack GPS tracking device on Maruti Zen Estilo. Now let's see the wiring process. So first open the cover and then just remove the coupler of the ignition wire. Now we have to check the continue power source line without the ignition key. So on the first port you can see 12.90 volt is coming from the green and white wire. So this is our continue power source. Now we have to use a jumper wire, connect the first port to the green and white wire port, and the second port we have to test on all other ports one by one. So in the last port you can see when we connect to the last port, the dashboard lights turns on, and when we remove the last one, the dashboard lights turns off. So this is the ignition wire, black and yellow color. Now we have to cut the wire, the ignition wire, and now we will connect SpiroTrack 12 volt relay. So it has two green wires. So the first green wire, the relay white wire, which is the positive, and device orange wire, which is the ignition status wire, is connected to the coupler, and the other end with the green wire, and then place the coupler. Now we will turn on the engine and manually test the relay. So engine is on. Now touch the yellow wire of the relay, the body ground, any metal part. So you can see after touching the body ground, the engine turns off. Now again we will turn on the ignition engine and then connect the yellow wire of the relay to any body ground. So the engine turns off. Now connect the relay yellow wire with the device yellow wire and tape it. And connect black wire to the body ground of the vehicle. When the wiring process is complete, we will connect the wiring coupler to the device. So this is SpiroTrack dual calling GPS tracking device with speaker and mic facility. So you can monitor the voice inside the vehicle. We will connect the speaker on the speaker port, and this is the mic for voice monitoring purpose. So the speaker and mic is connected and the wiring process is done. Now we have to properly tie all the wires and connect the device. So using the tie belt, we have to keep all the wires very tight and arrange all the wires properly. Similarly, for attaching the device, use the tie belt and tie it properly. And the speaker and mic is hidden, so no one will know that you are doing the voice monitoring. Now you have to place all the covers properly. So now the cover is back. Go to Play Store and search for SpiroTrack application. So you'll find SpiroTrack GPS tracking application. Click on install and then open. Now enter the ID and password provided. After that, click on login. Now the device is online and you can see the position of the device here, and click on live tracking. You can change the map type view to hybrid map. So this is the position of the vehicle on the map, and here you can see all the status: ignition status, battery status, GPS signal, GSM signal, engine hours, mileage today, odometer. Now we have turned on the engine and you can see the engine status turns on. Okay, and on the top you will get the engine on status, ignition on, with the position and time. Similarly, when the engine is turned off, you will get the engine turn off notification, push notification. Now we will check the voice monitoring function of the device. So you have to call the number from your registered mobile number. So after 4 rings from the registered mobile number, the device will pick the call.
Hello.
So now the call is picked up by the device because it is coming from the registered number, and you can hear the voice.
Hello.
And you can say anything. So it has dual